Hello my beautiful people. Well, today guys starts a whole nother video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how I turned my coffee tables from the color they are original when I purchased them. I bought these tables 4 years ago, well, a little over 4 years ago, brand new from a furniture store. Since we've been in our home, I have never used those in my living room. Now that the dining room is black, and the base in the breakfast room is black, I have a round gold table. No, it was gold, now it is black in the living room. And because I want a wood element, which the table is wood, and I want a bigger surface in this table top is huge. So guys, what I am going to do, I am going to turn it from the wood color it is to black to match the dining room table and the base of the breakfast room table. And I was indecisive of what color I wanted to do the legs. I decided to do them black also. So I need to get two different kinds of paint. I need to I was really thinking about getting a contact paper, black contact paper, but I'm not sure what that will look like. So I feel like if I do it with contact paper, when I get ready to pull the contact paper off, it may damage the table. So it's just better for me to go ahead and paint it black. And if I ever want to change the wood, I would just sand it. So that is what we're going to do now. I am almost here at Home Depot, and I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna get the black spray paint and the black paint, and then we're gonna go home and I'm gonna show you what this table look like currently, everything that I want to do to it, and we might be doing this and setting up this table today. So guys, let me get a part and let me go on in Home Depot. Okay guys, so I am now home. I am going to show you the table that is in the living room now. And of course, you have been rocking with your girl for a while. You know I changed this table about a year ago because I wanted a round table with glass. But now because of the dining room table, and I already have this table, I want to change this table. So I'm going to show you all the table. I'm going to move it in from the car garage. I'm going to show you the table, but right now, I am going to show you the table that I have now, the setup that is going on right now. And plus, I saw a vase yesterday at Goodwill that I thought would be absolutely so pretty with some roses on it for the table. So I did. If y'all hear noise, that's my daughter. That's my daughter. So I went back to Goodwill, and lo and behold, guys, the vase was there. So I have that vase already. The only thing I have to do after I finish everything, put everything together, I need to get some roses, and those roses will be from Kroger. So let me go ahead and show you this table. I'm gonna show you the other table. Then your girlfriend needs to change clothes. Okay, so let's go. Okay, this is the current table. Don't mind that goes to my tripod and stuff. So that is my current table. You know, it was gold in the beginning. Now it is black. So if it does not fit where I want it to fit in my bedroom, I will be putting this on Facebook Marketplace. I paid I forgot what I paid for it, but I have to look online. But I will be taking this and posting it for sale on Facebook Marketplace. So therefore, let me go ahead and show you the table that I am going to be pulling out. Okay guys, now I'm going to show y'all the table. This thing was heavy, and I had to move it by myself, although asked me to help, but I didn't need help. I just took the pieces. The downfall is, guys, I got to ask my son. He's the one that took it down. I have no clue what he did with the screws unless it's with the other tables. So I got to find out where the screws are, but this is the table, guys. So it is a full wood top table. And this is the base. So I'm going to spray the base black. And this is going to be black. So I think it will look really good for right there. I think, and I'm hoping, I'm praying. So this will be gone. And I will be bringing it. And this thing is very wide, guys. It's very, very wide. But I will be painting black. So I think, I'm not sure what books I'm going to put in. But yeah, and don't mind my flower. I killed it. Snow came in, cold weather came in, killed it, forgot it was outside. She'll come back. So this is the table. Okay, guys, so what I need to do at this point, I need to go and change clothes, put on something comfy that I don't care if paint get in, which paint is not going to get on it. Why? Because girl she knows what she's doing. So, guys, let me go ahead and get myself together while the sun is still up a little bit. You know, cooler weather, it's hard for paint to dry. So, I need to go ahead and get on this very fast. So, should I just go ahead and just spray with what I got on? I'm very careful, as long as I'm not doing the top. Yeah, let me see. Let me go ahead and move this outside and go ahead and spray this. And I'm going to show you the paint that I use. I usually use bare flat. But no, it went cheaper, which you saw in the video. And let's see if it's going to work as good. Why pay $5 when you can pay $1 and change? So let's go.
I'ma make you mine tonight, pulling your hair, baby. I feel you breathing on me, on you. You know that I'm a selfish lover. When it's mine, I want it. On track, mine for it, for you. I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I go. Bet you love me before I go. I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I go. Bet you love me before I go. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need.
So guys, I'm outside, so you hear stuff. What I can tell you about this, it is matte. It is Home Depot. It's under $2 per can. What I can tell you guys, don't buy Bear no more. Don't buy Bear. Don't buy Rust-Oleum. Quick Color. There it is. Under $2. Matte. It's drying so quick. When I say quick drying, it's almost finished drying because I went and put on another coat. And guys, guess what? It is so pretty. So guys, now here is the frame. They are black. So if you want to do anything that have to have the matte black spray paint, use that. Don't get the expensive one. Look at there. Rub my hand over it. I mean, absolutely so good. It's completely dry. So now let's put this together, put the top on, and I'm gonna paint it with the top on. Okay guys, so this is the coffee table. My son has put it together. The base is already sprayed black like I showed you. So this table is a huge table. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and paint the top black. I don't know with my plastic guys, so go ahead and pray with me because this road needs to be changed or cleaned, one out of two. But now I'm gonna go ahead and start painting the table. And the paint that I'm using is by Bear, and it's a sample, and it's Limo Black Leather. So I will definitely have the card on the screen. So just look for the card.
Do it, do it, do it. I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I go. Please love me. Oh, I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I go. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need, babe. Tell me about your dreams. Tell me everything, yeah. Do it.
So this is the table after I have painted. Then I went in with that same spray paint because I wanted to have a matte finish. And it wasn't completely dry here. And here is one of the side tables. I only used one and it did come out very, very good. So now let's get into styling. So as I was putting the items out together to try to figure out what I wanted to use to style the table. When it come down to my books, I was very indecisive, so I just decided to use my Tom Ford book. I was going to use my YSL book, which I may change it. I'm not completely sure, but right now I'm using my Tom Ford book. And this tray, guys, it came from Ashley Furniture, and it's still so pretty and gorgeous. And right now I'm rocking magnolias. So I have my magnolia leaves there with one open magnolia. And I am going to use one of my urns, and that also came from Ashley Furniture. And on top of my book, guys, this is where the dilemma, because I wasn't sure. So this piece came from Hobby Lobby. It was a different color. I did spray it matte black, but I keep looking at it, and I'm standing on the stairs and I just look at it. It seems like I have so much black going on. So eventually I will be changing this altogether. But this little cutie patootie is a serving little tray. It's like a cheese tray. You can just put little things in it or whatever. So I put that there. That's where I can put some little things in it. So if you have company, you can just pop it open, get it, and let it be. So this is my knot. I made that knot myself. And now I'm going to use my crystal, and I'm going to place it there. But at the end, guys, you will see I turn around and change this all together again. Yes, I did. So this piece I got from Hobby Lobby. I got it from Home Goods quite some time back, and that's my week honors. So I have decided to still use my same candles that I used during the Christmas time, but they're off-white with that green on the front, and it still smells so good. So I decided to use that, and it was hard for where I want to put this lid, guys. So I decided just to put the lid there and move the twine up. So this is what it looks like now. So this is basically like style 1. I am going to change some things, as you can see getting close to the end. I did change around some things. So here it is, up close.
You know that I'm a selfish lover. When it's mine, I want it. One track mind for it, for you. I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I go. Bet you love me before I go. I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I go. Bet you love me before I go. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need, baby. Tell me about your dreams, tell me everything, yeah. Do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. I'll do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. Party's never over.
So this is style number 2, and I end up really loving this. So this is style number 2. And guys, these wooden beads, yes, I made them. Yours truly, I made those. So guys, this is what our coffee table look like now. Hopefully you did enjoy this. This table is a Babcock furniture table. So guys, this is the end of the video. You can upcycle anything that you want. This is a brand new table, and I upcycle it to what I want it to be. And I think, guys, it is absolutely gorgeous. So guys, I'm going to end this video here. You know what I always say, please like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up my video. Please do share it out. Tell a neighbor, tell a friend. And you know, the very ending, I gotta go, but I will be back. Until the next time, guys. Bye.
Yeah.